Hello everyone. So if you use Notion, you know that this is what a page look like, right? And maybe you write something about Notion. It's a nice app. And maybe you write something off topic, like, oh, I realize my friend's grandmother is really good at cupcakes. Oh my God, I have to remember to ask her the next time I bake. And maybe you want that piece of information to be in a place where you would see it when you do cupcakes. Maybe you have a page called about cupcakes or something. I try to have a page for like everything. So you just came up with something that is not that doesn't belong to the page. This happens to me all the time because ADHD, right? Surprise. So a nice hack in Notion is you can just do this and then you press Ctrl Shift P and then you can send it there. So okay, let's go to cupcakes. Oh, I took everything by mistake, but whatever. I hope it's helpful for you too. Have a nice day.